Happy Saturday, y'all. Happy Saturday. Today is Saturday, May 21st. So next Monday is Memorial Day. So I don't have very much. I just wanted to show y'all what I picked up. I got the 2% reduced fat milk from Sam's. My sister Tori, she had got me on the almond milk. I still buy it occasionally. So I'm trying to get back with that, okay? And I hadn't seen her. I just wanted to hope everything's okay with her. Vanilla ice cream from Sam's. I got that. I had some left when my freezer went out, so I had to trash it. I bought this, what is this, a Lil? It's some sparkling water. I got the citrus and the blood orange from Albertsons. I got my Pure Leaf unsweet tea. I was out of just have a little Tony's, and y'all know I put this in everything except cabbage. And I got from Albertsons, I got some turkey neck, something I hardly ever cook. And from Sam's, I got this. This is $14. It's been as much as $20. And also, my son just bought in my paper towels. Y'all know about those Viva, but the Viva paper towels were actually for my bathrooms. And that's all I have. I just want to stop by and say hi. Welcome all my new subscribers. Again, I don't get very many views. If I was here for views and a check, y'all know I'd have to leave, right? It's just a ministry for me, trying to connect with people, let people know that you're loved. God loves you no matter your circumstance, no matter your situation. And if you know, and if you're having a hard time at church today, our pastor introduced us to a young lady. She had 3 kids, like 2 boys and a girl. And she said that she and her kids were homeless. They were sleeping in her car. She had lost her job. So we did a love offering for her. And 2 people promised her a job. One said the other job don't work out. She had a job for her. Somebody that traveled said that she had a free room for her. And then we took up money for her. So that's God's love. That's how we're supposed to get along with one another. You know, when blessings come to you, you're not supposed to close your hand. Because if you close your hand, not only will you not be able to give a blessing, but you won't be able to receive. So as long as your hand is open, blessings can flow in and out, right? All right, y'all. I just want to stop by and say hi. Again, welcome all my new subscribers. It's all love here. I don't be here very much because sometimes it's just a lot. It's just life. It's life. Like I said, this is a hobby. It's a pastime. It's a ministry. But it's all love. It's all love here, right? Talk to y'all later. Be blessed. Bye.